Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're having issues with Skype notifications, then watch this video. So the first thing we need to do is to check whether our status on Skype is active. So we will open Skype, right click on this circle and we will check if it is active. If it is on away, do not disturb or invincible, we will not receive any notification. So make sure it's active. And the second thing we need to do is to check whether the sounds for the notifications are active on Skype. So we'll right click on the sound button, open volume mixer, and we will check if the Skype button is uh, present. Here I cannot see Skype, so I will just reset and it should start working. And now the third option is to check whether the focus feature is turned on. If it is turned on, then we cannot get any notifications. So we will right click on start, go to settings, click on system and look for the focus tab. Make sure that the focus tab is stopped, because if it is on, then there will be no notifications like I said. The last setting is to check for whether notifications have been enabled for Skype. So we'll right click on start button, look for settings, and we'll look at notifications. Let us enter it here. Notifications, turn app notifications on or off, and we will expand this box and we will click on these three tabs, and that should fix the problem with your Skype notification issues. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.